Hello students, today we are going to start lesson number 35, that is the King of the Golden River part 2. Already part 1 of the King of the Golden River we have seen in lesson number 34. Today we are going to see part 2 of the King of the Golden River. We will begin with first paragraph. Southwest wind was true to his word. Southwest wind means here stranger. What he has told, that was true. He did not return to the treasure valley after that night. Neither did any other wind. Miss Southwest wind also did not return to that treasure valley, and that another wind also. It does not come into that treasure valley. So there was no rain. Wind was not there, so rain was not there in the treasure valley. Nothing grew in treasure valley anymore. Means first many crops, otherwise fruits trees were there in treasure valley, but now nothing grow in the treasure valley. The brothers made no more profits. Means brothers, they could not make more profit, means benefit now. Second paragraph, the wicked means bad brothers then began to make money by selling gold. These brothers, they could not get any profit from the treasure valley, so they began to make money by selling gold. They melted in the furnace the gold articles they had. In their house, whatever gold articles, jewelry, whatever it is there, gold material, what they used to do, they melt that into the furnace. Melt means what? Make liquefied. And furnace means what it is? And furnace means it is a huge enclosed space for heating material to high temperatures. In Marathi, furnace means bhatti, is for giving heat for any other material which container is used. That is called furnace. These brothers, Quartz and Hans, what they do? They used to melt the gold articles into furnace. They mixed a lot of copper in it and sold the mix as a pure gold. Nowadays, in gold some other material also is used. In that way, these brothers, they used to mix a lot of copper in the gold and sell it as a pure gold. Means they try to take profit, extra profit. Again, they made poor glug work in the furnace when they spent the money on themselves. These two brothers, whatever money they get from selling the gold, they spend on themselves, and they used to make the glug to work in the furnace. Soon all the gold in the house was spent, misused. Only one thing was left, a beautiful golden mug that belonged to Glug. It's all golden material. It was used, which was at home. It was melted. Only one thing it was remained to melt, that was the golden mug, and it was belonged to Glug. Glug's uncle had given it to him when he was baby. Glug used to drink both milk and water from it. A strange bearded face was delicately carved on the mug. On the golden mug which was belonged to Glug, on that mug a strange bearded face, means beard having like this face, it was carved, means design was there of like that face on that mug. Glug was very fond of the mug. Fond means what? Having an affection. Means he loved that mug. He did not want to part with it. Means he don't want to separate from that mug. But his wicked brothers only laughed at him and threw the mug into the furnace. Means for melting. These brothers, they threw this golden mug into furnace. They asked Glug to pour the gold when the mug was melted and went out on some wicked enterprise. Enterprise means what? Activity or business. These two brothers, they threw the golden mug of the Glug into the furnace, and they told Glug to pour the gold. Pour the gold when the mug was melted. Means when the golden mug will melt at that time, the melted that gold, you pour it, means empty it into another container. Like this they told, and they went for some bad activity and went for some wicked enterprise. Sadly, Glug sat down to watch over the mug being melted, but strangely, after some time, he began to hear a voice singing from the furnace. Means from the furnace, he can hear the voice of singing. He lifted the lid, means cover, of the crucible. A crucible means what? A container in which something is heated to a very high temperature. And what did he see? The face of his old bearded friend on the top of the melted gold. Now which mug, golden mug, was melted? On that top of that melted gold, what he can see? He can see the face of his old bearded friend, that is called strange visitor. Come, Glug, my boy, said the voice from the crucible, means in which container the golden mug was melted, that is here called crucible. And from that sound came what? Pour me out, I am too hot. Means take out me out, I am too hot. Glug was too astonished. Astonished means what? He was surprised. But he took hold of the crucible and tilted it to pour the gold. Means what Glug done? He tilted, means he moved the crucible and he poured the gold, and instead of gold, a golden draft. Draft means what here? An unusual small person came out of the pot. His was the face carved on Glug's mug. On Glug's mug, one face was carved or design was there. That was of golden draft. Pray, sir, said Glug, rather hesitatingly, were you my mug? Pray means what here? Please. Please, sir, said Glug, rather hesitatingly. Hesitatingly means what? To feel doubtful, means he's having doubt. In that way he is asking what? Were you my mug to that golden draft? I am the king of what you call the golden river, the golden draft told him. His golden draft told to Glug what? That I am the king of the golden river. He added that another stronger king had turned him into a mug by magic. Means another one stronger king by magic, what he has done? He has turned this golden draft into the mug. Glug had freed him from that enchantment. Enchantment means what? Magic. Now Glug's brother, they threw this golden mug into the furnace, so Glug has to melt it. And when Glug has melted it, that time he has freed that the golden draft from the enchantment of the stronger king. Today's English homework, students, how much part today I have taught you that you have to read from English textbook, and you have to learn and write meanings one time and spellings 5 times. Thank you.